Hey guys, today we're gonna fix WhatsApp instant video messages not showing issue. So in the case that your WhatsApp's instant video message feature is not showing, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this problem step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so the first factor that you should double check is your internet connection. You may have experience, or you may have some issues, rather, with your Wi-Fi connection. So you gotta double check with your internet service provider and see if they are actually experiencing some issues, which is why it's giving you some connectivity issues as well. With the WhatsApp application, you could also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. The last thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to double check if we have the latest version of WhatsApp. Install the network device. So go ahead and launch the app stores. And I want you to search for the WhatsApp application. And once we are already here, of course, you need to double check both of your WhatsApp applications and see if there is an update available. If there is an update available for one of these, go ahead and just update it to delete this version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. Now we double check if we have the instant or video message feature already showing. So just go ahead and tap on your settings and tap on the chats tab, and you should see the instant video messages feature right here showing, ready for you to use, and also turn off. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.